Alright guys, I'm doing a review on this Honest Dumplings Get It Before It's Gone. So this is a different flavor. I did a review of their Mushroom Madness one, but it was actually really good, guys, so had a good flavor from it. So this is the two flavors that are in this one. It's cumin and General Tso's chicken, and then sweet and sour pork. So kind of curious what it tastes like. I'm going to do a quick taste test to tell you what it's like. But that's the ingredients. I've never tried this before, so I wanted to try a different flavor because their mushroom one was really good. So, alright, let's open this up. So there's 3 flavors in this bag. I don't know exactly which one I'm gonna get. They got different colors, so you can see that right there. So, alright, so I'm gonna cook it up and I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, so these is the 3 dumplings that was in the bag, so let's do a quick taste test. They're all oozing like juice right now, so alright, so this is, I think this is the dill one. Let me do a quick taste test. That one's not the dill one. It's like sweet and sour, that one. This one, let's see what this one is. Oh, it's that juice coming right out of that one. So that one's pretty good. That's the lamb. That's the lamb one. You taste the lamb in that one. This one is, yeah, this one's General Tso's chicken. It tastes like General Tso's chicken, literally. The best one out of this one is this one, actually, the General Tso's chicken. Then the next one I would probably rate is, this one's the lamb, and then this one. So that's how I rate it. Has a lot of flavor, guys. So definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.